Guys, do you like how I look? Take a very good look at me. Do you like my look? Look, guys, sure, I look good, but I look different, right? Yes, that is how this video is going to be, a very different one. It's going to be a totally different video, guys. So guys, we are here at the Italian village. That's where we are today. So, and this vlog, as you can see from the title, is a totally different vlog. Is You are going to enjoy every bit of it. So we are here because we want to christen our baby. So, and this christening, we want to do it in a different way and different manner. So this is going to be like a traditional Italian baby christening video. So guys, yes, that's what we are doing today. You don't want to miss it. As I'm looking different, that's how. Guys, don't mind my hair tie because I don't know how to hide. Wait, let me kukuma remove this jacket because there is no coat inside there. Okay, hold on. Let me remove the jacket, guys. Okay. Hi, baby. Hi. Baby, wait. Oh, let's talk to our family first before we continue. So, guys, do you like my look? Of course, I have to look like an African mother. And how else would I look like it if I don't put on Ankara and Ishafo or hair tie or gele or whatever? I don't have gele, so I had to put on a normal hair tie. I don't know how to tie hair tie, so I tied it anyhow. But I'm going to remove it right now because gosh, I can't deal. Okay. So yeah. It's my hair. Well, so guys, do you like my makeup? I know you love it. Whether you like it or not, you love it. So guys, stay tuned for this video because you are going to enjoy every bit of it. We are going to give you all the details and all those orishirishi. Don't go anywhere. Okay, let me show you the baby. Okay, let me show you the baby. Hey, hi baby. Hi my love. My love, say hi to camera. Say hi, my love. Say hi, baby. Jason, my love. JJ, baby, nah. Say hi. Oh, my love, my love, my love, my lover. Now you're hungry. Don't worry, mommy is here to feed you. You'll be very well fed. Guys, I'm going to feed him because he is the reason for this occasion. He is the reason for this video. Okay, guys. Okay, so talk to you guys later. So guys, as I was saying, this is going to be my baby christening video, and this place we are now is very far from our own province. Like, hold on, nah, no wire. Oh, don't worry, I'll take care of you now, my love. You don't want to eat now? You're not hungry, or do you want to sleep? You want to sleep, baby? You've not talked to our family, and you are trying to sleep. Talk to the family. Say hi, family. Hi. Now say hi, family. So guys, we are in a different province. We want to christen my baby. The reason we left our own province to this place is because the church here, the priests in charge, the sisters, everybody here that works in the church, they're like family to us, and they're traditional Italians. So that's why we are here today. The christening is going to start later today. Oh, yes, I made up. Guys. I had to wear makeup. Mm-hmm. I had to wear makeup because it's my hair just trying to disgrace his village people, not me. I had to wear makeup today, guys. So, and I don't care how I wore it. I don't care how it looks. Yes, I am not perfect with makeup, but I had to do it because, of course, I am now a mom. I'm a proudly African mom with an Ankara print. So, yeah. Nah, wait now. Wait, baby. So I had to wear makeup and Ankara print to represent you guys, to represent Nigerians, Nigerian mothers, African mothers. Okay, that is why. Mm. So the ceremony is going to start later today. Could be from 12 p.m. because here the church service starts by 3, sometimes 2. So let's just hope that it starts early. So if it starts early, fine. If it doesn't, also fine. The most important thing is that we get this precious gift, this precious bundle of joy, christened. And I want to share this very moment with you guys. I am a proud mom. I want to share it with you guys. So you guys don't want to go anywhere. You don't want to miss any part of this video. Okay? If you are new to this channel, please subscribe. I love you guys so much. And please watch this video till the end. I love you. Kiss, kiss. Mwah, mwah. Say kiss, kiss to camera. Kiss, kiss. Mwah. Nah. Bye bye. See you.
Sorridete.
Io sì.
Scusa, Solomon,
Sì.
ma poi te lo mandi ai tuoi parenti a vedere con che gente se la fa il piccolo gesto.
Sì, sì, anche questo sì, è una cosa buona. Hai visto?
Sentiranno tutti
Povero
bene.
bambino.
Hi guys. So the sun is too much. God. So guys, the program is about to start. It's about to start, and I just want to show you because I told you guys that this is a typical native or traditional Italian baby christening. So I am going to show you guys while it is a traditional Italian church. So here is the I want to show you guys the compound of the church, how the church looks like, so you guys will get an idea of what I'm trying to say. Okay, so This is a compound. That is a mountain over there. That is a mountain, guys. Can you guys see the mountain? There's a mountain over there. Yeah, and here, this place is here. There is another mountain there. Can you guys see how that mountain is? Yeah, this is where the Reverend Father stays. Can you see? Look back. The church is there. Also, the Reverend Father stayed there as well. The place is big. It appears small outside, but inside that very building now you are seeing is very, very big. Okay, let me show you guys very well. Do you see? Can you see the mountain? The mountain over there. I can't go any further because I am literally the only person outside here. So that's the mountain. Let me see if I can go to the other side and also show you guys. All right, this is the grotto of our Blessed Virgin Mary. Outside there, I can't show you guys the car park, but let me just go down here. I'll show you guys more. The program is about to start now, so that's why I want to show you guys all these things before we officially resume the program. Here is the mountain, guys. Like I said, I can't go further. Honestly, okay. God. Guys, can you see? That's the mountain. You can see houses on that mountain. Can you guys see houses on that mountain? Yeah. People live there. Oh. People live there on the mountain. People live there. Yeah. So we are officially about to start the program. Once I remember the name my husband used to call this place, then I will let you guys know. It's a typical traditional Italian church. This is how it looks like. Okay, so the program is about to start. Whoop, whoop. Guys, my husband is busy right now. They are trying to get some things done. We just finished eating lunch. We ate before we started the program. So we just finished eating lunch, as you all saw the other time. So once the program starts, you guys are going to get everything. Okay. So honestly, this video is one of my best moments, my proudest moment in my life. In fact, anything that concerns my baby it makes me very proud, and it makes me so excited and very, 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 God, I don't know the feel. I don't know how I feel whenever I get to participate or to see anything that concerns my baby. So I always feel proud, happy, and excited. So I am very, very excited for this occasion. I am very excited for this christening, and I can't wait for you guys to see it all. I can't wait for you guys to see everything that is happening. God, I'm a proud mom. Yeah, you can't tell me nothing. I am a proud mom, period. Let me go inside. I've got to go inside now before the program starts. So guys, I'm going inside now. When the program starts, you guys will see the church, see inside the church and everything that is going to happen. Okay. Yes, you got me. Don't mind my gele. My low budget gele. May don't mind me. I'm not. Yes, African people, African women, they love gele. They love all those ones. They love all those things. But me personally, I don't love all those things because I feel like it makes me look old. And as you can see, I'm a baby girl for life. I don't want anything that will make me look old. Okay, so I always like to look young all the time. Yes, I'll be young forever. Yes. If you don't like it, that's your own problem. But I said what I said, and no apologies. So I don't have any gele. I don't have any traditional those mama traditional outfits, but I am going to change my mind. I might change my mind and get one some other time. I have Ankara that I sold, but it's all those um fine girl Ankara now, not the typical big madam African woman. I might get some in the future, but for now I didn't want to wear my wig, so that's why I needed hair tie. It's not like I cannot go inside the church without hair tie. Of course I can. Here you don't need to put on hair tie. You can put it on if you like. You can decide not to put it on. Yes, everything is your decision here. Okay, you make decisions yourself, you do everything yourself. Nobody is going to force you to do anything. Do you guys understand? Yes. So for now the program is about to start. If this video is too long, then it's going to be part 1 and part 2. Yes, because I said so. This one might be the part 1, then part 2 will be where the program is happening live. Stay glued to your screen and don't go anywhere. Click the like button, and if you've not subscribed, subscribe now. Subscribe so that you'll be getting more of this exciting content. All right guys, talk to you guys later.